Welcome to GuideGrid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Zen browser on your PC or laptop. Alright, so first of all, just open your PC and open any browser. I'm using Brave over here. And after that, just go on the search bar and type Zen browser download. Alright, now press enter. Go on the first site and here click on download. Alright, wait for a few minutes. Now you will see a file over here. Just wait for a few minutes until it downloads. Alright, when it finishes, click on the file. Click yes. Click on next. Next. And after that, click on install. Okay, now click on finish. As you can see, I can use Zen browser.